have openly differed on the advisory issued by Chief Justice David Maraga to President Kenyatta to dissolve Parliament for failing to enact the gender parity law. Speaking in Kakamega County, Chief Justice David Maraga steered off the dissolution politics and instead talked about his judicial reform agenda. Willie Lesige reports from Kakamega.
Even after the High Court suspended Chief Justice David Maraga's advisory to the President to dissolve the Parliament over its failure to enact legislation to implement the two-thirds gender rule, the debate still rages on. And the latest to wade into the matters is the Council of Governors.
And whereas we advocate for respect of the rule of law, we are aware dissolution of Parliament may not be the answer.
COG Chair insisting that it is in the public interest not to subject the country to parliamentary elections before exhaustively interrogating the constitutionality of the CJ's decision.
The Council of Governors, therefore, has resolved to seek a legal opinion to inform our next course of action.
Kakamega Senator Cleophas Malala calling on the drafters of the Building Bridges initiative to ensure that the clause requiring Parliament to enact legislation to implement the two-thirds gender rule is expunged from the Constitution to avert a future crisis.
And I want to beseech the BBI drafters to toa hiyo clause lakini to maintain women rep na nominated na maneno ya two-thirds tuachane nayo, inasumbua Kenya na inakula akili yetu.
Lurambi Member of Parliament Bishop Titus Hamala terming the two-thirds gender rule as unrealistic.
We must cultivate a country whereby women can seek for positions. Those who are living with disability can also seek for positions, not where people will just come in and get free positions.
And now a section of female legislators are worried that dissolution of the Parliament will do more harm than good to the female elected leaders.
Hata tukienda tena kwa uchaguzi, pia tutapata wanaume. Wamama hawatachaguliwa. Kwa maana sisi wamama mara mingi hatuna pesa ya kusimama.
But the Chief Justice David Maraga steered off the politics surrounding the dissolution of Parliament and instead talked about his judiciary reform agenda even after he retires in January next year.
We are moving well with regard to the construction of the court buildings, and I trust that even as I leave the judiciary, this will continue because this is in our plan.
Maraga was in the county to officially open the new Kakamega law courts that costed 388.7 million shillings.
So kindly, if you may receive this gift on behalf of the people of Kakamega. Thank you. Symbolically, just touch the rope.
Willis KTN News in Kakamega.